Listen, boom, I ask the Lord to forgive me for my sins. If I die tomorrow, can you give a nigga wings? In 27 years, yeah, I done a lot of things. Check my ring, bitch, you see the way it blings. Hotline, you should hear the way it rings. The way I'm touching all these notes makes a nigga wanna sing. I see you with your jewels, you be looking like a king. Treat a nigga like an ounce, wrap a nigga up and cling.
Holy fuck! Go to son, I mean, I'm off from me and I've been chasing you up. Zongo Mafia, straight from my CEO, baby, I'm had a trap. My best yakela boys, here rolling trees, now you're the puff, puff and pass, so anyway, I know this stuff. Go to son, I mean, I'm off from me and I've been chasing you up. Zongo Mafia, straight from my CEO, baby, I'm had a trap. My best yakela boys, here rolling trees, now you're the puff, puff and pass, so anyway, I know this stuff.
Back today working on this 3 Series 340i ceramic coating maintenance, but more importantly the owner has unfortunately spilt some milk. It bloody stinks, so we're going to try our best to soak it all up, get all the smell out so we can start enjoying the car again, because when you get in that car and that pongy milk smell is it's not an enjoyable experience. And we'll get the exterior boxed off, and then we can move on to the interior and get that smell sorted out. So as you can see, it's been about 3 weeks since we were last here. The vehicle received a single stage machine polish, removing defects, holograms, as well as some deep scratches. I spent a bit of time on them. But as you can see, all the salty roads and bad weather we've had, although it's picked up, the lower half is dirty and then the top half is relatively clean. See what we can do with this milk smell. Hey, Happy New Year.
Charlie, the typical. Tell him on, man.
So I'm just going to give the vehicle a pre-rinse with just water. I've put no chemical on the vehicle. Just want to show you the ceramic coating or coatings in action. As you can see, the alloy faces are quite clean. These have not been cleaned in 3 weeks since application. Let's have a little look, shall we? Go for the glass next. Lovely. Windshield is already taken a battering from all that salt. As you can see, it's still coated. This was uncoated, and there was 0 water behaviour when we first gave this vehicle a wash, pre-coatings. The grand finale, 3-year ceramic on the paint. Fucking bosh.
Roll it tight and I'm daisy. When they make out come and pay me, cause life on the streets be so crazy. They get me high on a daily. And you mind me here for the pay me. I don't know why they delay me. For the fame I feel wait, I'm not crazy. But my family sick and mommy I've been waiting. Been a couple years in a crowd, but we ain't him hard, it takes some fight. Been sorry on the part and it's trap, and I feel like this grind on my life. I know like this life don't be new to me. A bride be sending this news to me. I know they like how it looks for real. See me in the hand make it fool to me. But so be a name, say me trap in your neck. Kone kobusa penny, say me hits really say. I oh be a name, say me trap in your neck. Kone kobusa penny, say me guy name yourself. Coming like the raging storm, fasten up your belt. Some say crime ain't caught, then no still I'm late. I bet you don't know where I'm from, it's 2 or die, we don't fail. Coming like a raging storm, fasten up your belt. Coming like a raging storm, fasten up your belt. Some say crime ain't caught, then fresh from the under, jigger too cold. Drop knife, jigger like from the zone. Jiggy on the outside, inside out. From a few months, so we fucking up shows. Better than law, you we got the soul. So be around, come where I'm in my pros. Juice not push, so I overflow. Whoa, tell a man me to compose. Say that me can't keep it locked and keep it gangster. Send me by two mysterious niggas blessed from Benny Bump and Panay for check your body and check your appearance. Tell them man make it check. So be a name say me drop in your neck. Kone ko busa penny say me history ne say. I oh be a name say me drop in your neck. Kone ko busa penny say me guy name yourself. Coming like a raging storm, fasten up your belt. Some say crime ain't caught, then don't still I'm late. I bet you don't know where I'm from, do or die, we don't fail. Coming like a raging storm, fasten up your belt. Coming like a raging storm, fasten up your belt. Some say crime ain't caught, then don't still I'm late. I bet you don't know where I'm from, do or die, we don't fail. Coming like a raging storm, fasten up your belt.
Hopped in the tinted wagon, what's the worst that can happen? That hasn't already happened. I've been outdoors for days, getting paid in different ways. You wouldn't know money if it slapped you in your face. I'm the high roller, bipolar in the fly motor. I'm the high roller, bipolar in the fly motor.
Come through looking fly in some designers. Always got it, can't catch me sliding any sliders. Even at the red carpet event, we had them straps on base. I only do push-ups if I catch a case. I'm just a skinny nigga with an army. Step my game up from the Mini to the Rari. See them niggas acting like they bosses, they frauds. I shut it down in my city, plus I be flossing abroad. Came through in that Audi, in that Honda Accord. All this gold got me looking like an Oscar award. He ain't getting show money, how you keep flossing. Rocks in the ring, ain't fighting Steve Austin. I got all these model bitches on me to fuck, but when I hit it, cling on me like when I'm re-ing up. Hit the block for fresh shit, write some new lyrics. Got the feds trying to tap me down every 2 minutes.
Hopped in the tinted wagon, what's the worst that can happen? That hasn't already happened. I've been outdoors for days, getting paid in different ways. You wouldn't know money if it slapped you in your face. I'm the high roller, bipolar in the fly motor. Yeah. I'm the high roller, bipolar in the fly motor.
Me and the gang coming like some Arabs. Spending all this crack money up in Harrods. Just whipped up, see the wire under my nails. Told my nigga fix up, cause we don't fight over girls. Got himself a mix up, trying to line up some bells. 20 bricks up, off a cute bike and some scales. If I blow, I don't have to shit. Went broke, tried to reach out. All them niggas left me hanging like a chandelier. Every day a nigga hustle, wrapping up in a trap house, playlist on shuffle. Still post on the strip, these lazy niggas chill in bed. My nigga Keys and Pappy probably rapped out a million peps. My new chick keeps the thing inside her blouse, and she ain't been to my crib, I got a side chick house. And I still don't go home until my food's done. Even bring the full fizzy on me on the school run.
Hopped in the tinted wagon, what's the worst that can happen? That hasn't already happened. I've been outdoors for days, getting paid in different ways. You wouldn't know money if it slaps you in your face. I'm the high roller.
So I've just got the vehicle on at the minute. I have put some air freshener and deodorizer with the car on, with the AC on recirculate, just to get rid of that smell that seeped into the air circulation, because the milk was spilt in the boot and the smell has seeped through to the cabin. So that's the reason the vehicle's on at the minute. But yeah, man, as you can see, the ceramic coatings are top tier. Proper nice, proper happy with them. Saw a few comments on the videos saying you can't ceramic coat a vehicle outdoors. As you can see, you fucking can, mate. If you know what you're doing, So I mean, if you know what you're doing and you use products that are outdoor friendly, like the coating range that we offer, then yeah, the results speak for themselves. So yeah, I'll let that recirculate for another 5-10 minutes. Then I can tackle the actual spill, the milk spill, and then yeah, job's good in. Touch wood, we can actually get this smell out. We all know how milk spills can be. It can be a real pain to get out. Yeah, it's looking lovely. It's looking lovely. Oh, deep joy.
The grind don't stop, you know. 24/7 on the block, you know. The girls love me, I'm popular. I'm a full-time hustler. Done 20 back moves in my witter. How you gon' finesse the finesser? Man, it's all for peas. Things a nigga do for the cheddar. Big boy, Beretta, how you mean? I'm a boss, you know. Man, I came up, I was broke, you know. Big boy tools for my ops, you know. My niggas ain't joker, the officer was the customer, But I don't even talk too much, man, I don't even talk too much. And I ain't gotta say too much, man, I ain't gotta say too much. Back then was getting stressed for my mumsy, but courtesy of country, I hit another country. Remember when I could've stuck a monkey, when I needed something like lick it off a gun tree. 24/7 on the block, you know. The girls love me, I'm popular. I'm a full-time hustler. We don't talk much. We let Lizzie do the talking. We don't talk much. There's friends we ballin', but the grind don't stop.